If your kid's favorite snack is French fries, you might want to hear this. French fries are a staple in many children's diets, especially with the convenience and appeal of fast food restaurants. They're crispy, salty, and fun to eat. What's not to love? But beneath that golden, crunchy exterior lies a story that every parent should know. Are they secretly harming their health? It's a question more parents are starting to ask as childhood health issues become more common. We all want our kids to be happy and enjoy their favorite treats, but it's important to understand what's really in those fries and how they can affect growing bodies. Fast food fries are packed with unhealthy fats, loads of salt, and empty calories. These ingredients might make fries taste irresistible, but they offer little nutritional value. In fact, most fast food fries are made from potatoes that have been peeled, cut, and then soaked in sugar or preservatives before being frozen and shipped to restaurants. Once there, they're fried in oils that are often reused multiple times, which only adds to the health risks. Deep fried in reused oil, they're full of harmful trans fats that can lead to childhood obesity, type 2 diabetes, and early heart disease. Trans fats are especially dangerous because they raise bad cholesterol and lower good cholesterol, putting extra strain on young hearts. For children whose bodies are still developing, these fats can have long-term consequences that may not show up until later in life. Frying at high temperatures creates acrylamide, a chemical linked to potential cancer risk. Acrylamide forms when starchy foods like potatoes are cooked at very high temperatures, such as during deep frying. While research is ongoing, health experts agree that limiting exposure to this chemical is a smart move, especially for children whose bodies are more sensitive to environmental toxins. And don't forget the excessive salt, bad news for young kidneys and blood pressure. Most fast food fries contain far more sodium than a child needs in an entire day. High salt intake can lead to dehydration, headaches, and even set the stage for high blood pressure and heart problems later in life. It's easy to overlook, but every extra pinch of salt adds up. But don't worry, you can still let your kids enjoy fries in a healthier way. The good news is, you don't have to ban fries from your home or make your kids feel left out at parties and gatherings. Instead, you can take control of how fries are made and served, turning them into a nutritious treat that everyone can feel good about. Try oven-baked or air-fried potatoes. These methods use far less oil, which means fewer unhealthy fats and calories. Baking or air frying also allows the natural flavors of the potatoes to shine through, making them just as satisfying as their deep-fried counterparts. Plus, you can get creative with shapes and seasonings, making homemade fries a fun family activity. Just a drizzle of olive oil and some tasty herbs like rosemary or paprika will do the trick. Olive oil is a heart-healthy fat that can help your kids absorb vitamins from their food. Herbs and spices not only add flavor but also bring their own health benefits like antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. You can even let your kids choose their favorite seasonings, making them more excited to eat their homemade fries. Swap white potatoes for sweet potatoes or carrots. They're full of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A, which supports healthy vision and immune function, while carrots provide beta-carotene and other nutrients that help kids grow strong and healthy. These colorful alternatives are naturally sweet, making them a hit with even the pickiest eaters. Serve them with grilled chicken, fresh veggies, or a salad to balance the meal. By pairing fries with lean proteins and a variety of vegetables, you create a meal that's not only delicious, but also packed with the nutrients your kids need to thrive. Balanced meals help stabilize energy levels, improve concentration, and support healthy growth. French fries don't have to be off the table. With a few simple changes, you can transform this classic snack into a healthy option that fits into your family's lifestyle. Homemade fries can be just as fun and tasty as the fast food version, without the hidden dangers. With a healthier twist, you can protect your kids' health and set them up for a brighter future. Teaching children about healthy eating habits now will empower them to make better choices as they grow older. It's not about depriving them of their favorite foods, but about finding smarter ways to enjoy them together. Let's make small changes today for our children's tomorrow. Every healthy swap, every home-cooked meal, and every conversation about nutrition adds up. By making fries at home, experimenting with new ingredients, and involving your kids in the kitchen, you're not just feeding their bodies, you're nurturing lifelong habits that will help them grow into healthy, happy adults. So next time your kids ask for fries, say yes, with a healthy twist.